Good day, everyone. Learn how to enable or disable auto brightness in iPhone. So you can turn on or turn off the automatic brightness. So to do that, we need to go to the settings and then we will go to accessibility. And here we will scroll down. You will find display and text size. So I'll click on display and text size, and then we need to scroll down more. You will find auto brightness. So to turn off the auto brightness, you can just simply toggle off. However, it says turning off auto brightness may affect battery life, energy consumption, and long-term display performance. So it is recommended to turn on the automatic brightness. However, it is up to you whether you want to enable it or disable it. So this is how you can turn on or turn off automatic brightness, auto brightness in iPhone. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Have a wonderful day.